is being recorded.
Yeah. Let's go here. Let's share. Good. Now, good afternoon, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Nice. Good. Now, I will just show you what we have done till now. Yesterday, we started our portfolio one. Is there anyone started yesterday portfolio? Good. Anyone completed? No, you guys are doing it still. No worries. Do it slowly. Boys, I don't know how many of you started it, but I want you to start it and do it soon. Even online, I am giving online and offline. I am giving deadline till Monday. What is the deadline, ma? Monday. Monday, I want you to show all your particular portfolio. Okay? Yeah. That's it. Good. Let me show you what we have done till now. Visual Studio Code. Is it visible? No. Let's go for theme. Now, okay. Now, focus here. Online. Let me open file. Open folder. ANG 2 p.m. Now, what did we discuss, sir, till yesterday? We are doing in a project called portfolio. In this project only, I will teach you something called forms. We will discuss how much, like, whatever the things we needed, we learn all. Let's go here. We need to do something more routings also. We did it 404 routing. We need to do it more other routings also, such as child routing and dynamic routing also we need to do. And I will show you what is that child routing and dynamic routing. I already posted this in GitHub, ma. You can check it. I already posted this in GitHub also. You can check it, sir. Projects, CD, portfolio. Yesterday one is also there in GitHub. npm run dev. Huh? Sorry. ng serve dash o. Yeah. React once you goes with that npm one. Yeah. I think we have stopped it here. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? No. Now, this is a basic thing which I did. Commit in GitHub 2 days ago. Huh? GitHub is not committed. It's committed. Git push. Okay, it's committed, but I didn't push it. Okay. Now it will come. Sir, React.js tell IPL score today's class. What? Sudhir Kumar, this is Angular class. What is IPL score? Can you put some PDFs in download? Show how it's downloaded. It will download it. Good. And by the way, like tomorrow I have a workshop. It's like actually I'm doing from last 3-4 weeks. I'm doing something React.js workshops. Okay, if anyone watched it previous one, they can go for tomorrow also. Like first week I did the portfolio one, then I did AI chatbot. Last week I did something TikTok to game. If you want it, like you can watch these things in your Naresh Shetty YouTube channel also. In Naresh Shetty YouTube channel, all were there. AI chatbot using the React, or portfolio using React, or a TikTok to using React. You can do same thing here also. Like I did AI chatbot here in this Angular also. I did it, this portfolio I'm doing it now. In future, you can do it more also. Now, anyway, our class is there tomorrow also. Don't worry. Provide link if you wanted links and all. You can ask the admins. But that is React one. It's not the Angular one. Okay. Now, okay. Everyone see here, sir. What we done? Go to your portfolio. Go to SRC. Go to app. In the app routing, everyone, in app routing, I put here 4 pages, which is for empty path, about path, projects path, contact path. If anyone clicks here about one, empty one, automatically they go for home component. If anyone clicks here about, they goes to the about component. If anyone clicks here projects, they go to the projects component. If anyone clicks here contact, they go to the contacts component. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts, ma? No, no. Next one, next one. If anyone type it here, except these things, imagine if they type it like any other thing except about or projects or contact, they will go to automatically not found component. I mentioned here already all the components. I write it here in pages. I mentioned here all the whatever components header inside header and footer in components. Header and footer are already done using the bootstrap one. You can use Tailwind also. Okay, I am using Bootstrap. And this is my app main component, app.component.html. Online, anyone have any doubts till now? In my project, anyone have any doubts till now? Online? No. Let's go here. Let's go to the pages. Let's go to the home. In the home, what I did is I gave one section. Inside that I put one div middle. Inside that I put one h1. I put in that h1 only Prasad. I made it something kind of win. And I put here I love to create full stack applications. And I put here download resume and contact me. Sir, in download resume, if you give a PDF, it will be downloaded, sir. How it will be downloaded? In anchor tag I gave na. Dekho, I write here download. Automatically it will be downloaded. If you want it, like I will take one something PDF. I'm just taking one PDF. Is a dummy PDF. Don't take it like, which one to take or something. I'm taking one dummy PDF. Keep that PDF in the public folder. I just put here one dummy PDF. It will be your resume. Okay, instead of this dummy one. Now go here. href equals to, what is that PDF name? E dash portfolio dot PDF. Simple. Now you go here. Go to your application. Download. Can you see it is downloaded again? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, any doubts? Online, is it clear? No, it's clear, I think. Very good. Next. Next one. Clear, sir. And home component is there. Next. Go to the about component. About. Write it here, about component. A simple about page. I can put here about me. I will put here some kind of section. Same kind of this. About. Go here. Now. Next. Next. Go here. I will write it here. Div. Inside this, I will put it another div. I will put it here one paragraph. It's up to you whether you follow this one or whether you go for your own. Okay. Lorem 20. And left side, I will put some image. I can give here some border. You can give CSS also if you want it, like a chota image you can put. Public favicon.ico. Now go here, about page. You can put here about you whatever you wanted. Simple logic. Same like you will do project, sir. You will put here all the projects, whatever you want. You will put it in a grid structure. You will show all the projects in a grid structure, sir. Now, what if I want it like each and every value? For example, I have 3 projects or I have it like 10 items. When I click on first item, only that first item will come. If I click here second item, only that second item will come. If I click on third item, only third item will come. That also you can do it, sir. You can use something called dynamic routing. Dynamic routing. Angular. Angular. Why this website is like this? Head to angular.dev. Go here. Dynamic routing. You can even define. Now here, these are the normal routes. Okay. You can do normal routes. Instead of this, see this? They are using something called children. Can you see this, ma? Children. What does it mean by children? Children paths are like this. For example, you are having one component. If anyone goes here, /about, /about, they will go to one component. If they go to /about, they will go to about component. About component. But what if they go /about /x? slash about slash y or slash about slash z. I want this xyz to print here. In this about page, you wanted some another elements to print, and that is called child component, child routing. That is called child routing. Now, I can provide some child routing. Go here, go to the app routing. Here I will provide this, comma, children. Children is a array. Again, here, path, projects. I'm giving here projects, components, projects component. Same thing I'm giving. Actually, no one will give same thing, but I'm giving same thing. Why? Because see, if someone goes, what is this mean? It means someone goes slash about slash. Children is an array because there is more than one children, correct? If someone slash about slash projects, what if someone goes slash about slash projects or slash about slash contact? Why someone will go to that? If you wanted to do that, imagine you wanted to put slash about slash contact, like some another components. It's not only about this particular project contacts. It's like imagine some another components are there. Those components should come inside another component. Those components should come inside the another component. Then you will do this child routing, children's routing. How do you do that? You go here, go to this about component. Here I will put some buttons, button, anchor tag, button with an anchor tag, router link, router link. Next one, here, router link. Here I will show something like projects. I will show contact. Now I will go here. If I go about, sorry, projects, I will go here, contacts, and I will put it here, router outlet. Wherever you put router outlet, there only that particular values will come. Wherever you put router outlet, there only that particular values will come. Now I put here router outlet here. Now go here, go to your code. Now about page. In about page, two buttons are there. In about page, two buttons are there. If I go to projects, oh, it's coming slash. Shall we mention only projects right here? It's going to directly one. Now I will go here about, go here projects. Can you see project works is coming? If I click here contact, can you see routing? Everyone see on the top what is happening online? Can you see what is happening top ma? Now, next. Slash about, see, slash contact slash projects. Why only one is printing at a time? Obviously, because only one routing it will go. How can it will go two routings? You have two children and you want it like what happen if we do go slash projects? It is directly going to website slash products. If you put slash, I don't want it website slash. I want it like current path slash. Then I am going here. Sir, anyway, on screen, any one routing will be there na. If it is going to about slash projects, print projects. If I'm going about slash contact, print the contact. How it will be useful, Imagine I will put here one big box. In that box, I will show here like this, two tabs. Buttons I will show. I will write it here projects. I will write it here contact. तो projects click करे तो इधर projects print करता, contact click करे तो इधर contact आता. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? This is called dynamic routing. Sorry, child routing. This is not dynamic routing. This is child routing. Okay. See, this is the point. Very simple. You can even give a div inside this div. I will give this div is like class border to border black x div class border to border black and flux gap to. Now go here. I need to write border. See, a bootstrap will work like if you don't write border, it won't understand border. And I need to give height and width. I will give style width 50 VW. 50 VW. Height 40 VH. Now everyone see this? Guys, online, are you getting my point, ma? Now, is it clear, ma, Namrita, online? Yeah. Next. Or or dynamic routing. Dynamic routing. Imagine I go to here in products page. Where is projects? Projects. See, I am using minimal CSS. You can put it however the CSS you want. I will go here, copy projects, portfolio, SRC, app. I wanted your things to be beautiful. If you just copy mine, na, that I don't accept. I will take it here, projects, and I will take it here. Types. Let me print all my projects. I will go here. Gemini, give me an array of JSON contains nice and creative projects details of Angular with Python for portfolio. It's just a dummy JSON. I'm just taking it. Okay. In reality, you will have something kind of, in reality, you will not have this direct data. You will use something called API, your HTTP request. I didn't have any API now, so I'm just taking the data here. Copy this. Go to my website. Now everyone see, I'm just creating one array. highlight, false. False. We can put Netlify links in our project. It will look good. Yeah, it will look good, obviously. Okay. See, they also put Netlify links only. You can say that. You can see that. See, they also put Netlify links only. Right or not? And it's up to them. It's up to you how you want to go for it. All the projects data, it is a array. How to print array in your HTML? How to print array in your template code, ma? You will use ng for. What you will use? Ng for. So I will go here, sir. I will put here one div dot container and projects projects inside this div dot uh, div dot project, each project flux justify center items, align items center, align items center. Next, ng for let p of projects data. Inside this, I just want to print it here. Each one image img. Did I have project image? Let's go to the array. There is no image only. Very bad. If image is there, if img tag is there, if image is there, that would be good, ma. Your project have a good idea, but still, I am just not using image then. Image is there. Okay, I am blind then. Yes, it is. Okay, see, image is not there. Why? Because they gave AI, na? AI give it like path dot slash two dot screenshot. I didn't have that path slash two dash and all. Okay, they are telling you only put the image. That's why I did not. I'm saying it like it's not there. If they gave me direct link like this, na, I would have used. Okay, that's why I'm not using it. Why to have a trouble again? I have to go to internet and type it, and you can do that. It's not a big deal. Okay, in backend you will do API. API will give it to you mostly. Now here I will put uh, H1 or H2. Using H2, I will use P dot title or next. Next one, I can show all the technologies. I can show description, paragraph, P dot description. Someone is like, how can I get it dummy data like this? Guys, why do you get it dummy data? Why do you use your own data, eh? Online? Never use dummy data. I am showing dummy data because I am not showing my projects. That's it. So if I put it dummy data, you will also put in your portfolio dummy data only. No, no. Okay. Don't do that. Now here, two buttons, div dot buttons. Practice purpose also use it on your own. Create it. Put the data, your own data only. Okay. I don't want dummy portfolio. I want tomorrow, like Monday, your real portfolio. Is portfolio only used for front end? Obviously, because this is Angular. Okay. Now go here next. Button. See live. See live. And here our button. Um, GitHub. GitHub. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Where can I put our portfolio? In Netlify. Class FS2. Class FS3. Other than that, you can put it somewhere like, if you don't want it Netlify, you can use websites like Vercel. If you don't like that all, use it GitHub. Just to use GitHub, put it. Okay? Just to use GitHub. Your wish. Now, next. FS3, um, text, secondary, next buttons, flux, deflux, gap2, button, class btn primary, class btn outline primary, and I will also use a simple CSS because I wanted to put it all the projects in a grid structure. Projects, grid, display grid, grid, grid template columns, repeat 3 comma 1 FR, gap 20 pixel, and each project will have padding 20 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, box shadow 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, uh, gray, go to projects. Now you know why they are coming like this? Because I used display flux inside. Instead, I should go here in the HTML. Here I used deflux, but I forgot to put flux colon. Then they will come nicely. See this? If images are there, it would look good, actually. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? No, no. Next one. Next one. I can put here one button. Details. Details. If I click this details, I wanted to go to another page. So, route, anchor tag, router link, router link, router link, slash projects, I will give slash. Instead of about or something kind of one, I will give here ID. I will use p.id. Is it having p.id there? No, they are not having IDs. So I will use title only. P.title. Now if I go here, everyone see, I didn't put it any name. Where is the C details? C details. Now everyone see this here. If I go here, if I click this C details, can you see project slash something is coming? Again, if I click here, project slash something is coming again. Project slash. But sir, whenever I go to that, it's going to something called not found page. But I wanted to go to this websites like Flipkart. You go to this Flipkart. In Flipkart, when I go here, products, see here, so many products are showing now. But the moment I click here, can you see it's going to only one product and that product is having here name flipkart.com slash this particular product name. Right or not? Now you go here, another product. I will open another product. This product page is also looking exactly same na. Left side one image is there, right side some text is there. If I open 1,000 products, all 1,000 products also will look like same only na. Do you think they will create for every product one page? Do you think they will create each one page ma? No, they will not put it each one different page. Instead, they will use one page only. Using that one page only, they will get it multiple things, and that is the use of template. Okay, that is the use of template. Now, how do you get it that one page? You can get it here. Routing, routing, children, children, path, path. Sir, what is the path? The path is very interesting here. I will just give title. I am giving some dynamic path here. Colon title. Then I need to create one new component here. How to create a new component? Terminal, new terminal, CD projects, CD portfolio, CD, no, ng generate component project. This is project. Project is for one component. Projects is for multiple components. Project, or you can put it any name. Okay, or I will write it here simple, like to make you understand it single. Sir, all this all will be inside the pages now. Pages slash single product, single project. So inside the pages, single project is created, sir. Nice. Now, if anyone goes to this link, component, single project component will come. Now you go here, click here. Why not found is coming? Uh, um, why it is not coming, Ray? Colon ID, correct only. I also put colon only. Colon title, correct only na? Oh, I don't need to write it this, I think. I don't need to put it as a child. See, what is the problem with the child is child means inside the projects page only you wanted to print. But do I wanted to print inside the projects page? No, that is a separate page. So give here as a separate one. It's not a child one, so it's like a separate component only. Now go here. There is one separate path. See here, there is one separate path. Now what is this path? If anyone goes projects and slash give one title, projects slash give one title, in that title, whatever it is there, based on that website should come. Based on whatever the title is there, based on that value, website should come. This is the logic. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Yeah. Now go here. Now go here. Now if you wanted to get that, sir, if you wanted to get that, all you will do is use some kind of activated route. If you use activated route, you will get it. Let me use it here. If I go to my website, where is this? Now see, single project works is coming. When I go to projects page, if I go to this second one, that website is coming. If I click the third one, that is coming. If I go to fourth one, that's coming. When I go to whatever the page it is there, the moment I go to this page, automatically single project only coming. But I wanted to get that page, not the single out or something kind of one. I wanted to get that page. Now, how do you get it? Instead of this, easiest technique I will tell you. In projects, actually, in my projects now, they did not give me ID. I will give IDs, each one. Instead of passing title. Why? Because title spaces are there. In title spaces are there. In real database, IDs will be there, ma. Don't worry. Now, copy. ID 3, 3. ID 4. ID 5. Now understand one problem. Now they go. Sir, problem is this. If I go here, let me pass it here IDs. App module, projects component. Here not the title. You should pass the ID. Sir, problem is this. It will pass the IDs. Kuch nahi hota. Here, if I go here, it will go to the projects. Here, title. It will pass the ID. See, 2 is there. Two problems are there. First problem. Two problems are there here. First problem. Whatever is coming to, what is there here? ID. That ID, what is the ID value? 2. You are telling because you are seeing 2 there. But how the system will know 2? First thing, my component should know. अभी क्या component है? अभी 2 component है. तो 2 component value print करना उधर. Second value, whatever the second product is there, the second product ID should print. If ID is 3, third product should print. First thing it should know na what is there. Second problem. First thing it should know. Second problem. How it will get exactly second product? Where is that whole products data? Where is all products data, ma? In products component it is there. In products component is there. Sir, there is one component called projects. Sorry. In projects component, you have one array. In this array, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, 5 projects are there. If I come second, I want second project. But how it will know? Like second project kya hai? It cannot ask the projects components, give me second project, I will print na. Right or not? So this data should not be here. This data should be in a common place. Can anyone tell me in Angular what is commonplace? In Angular, what is commonplace called? Public, wrong. Services. Online people are saying it public. Someone is saying component. I don't know why. Commonplace is called service. Simple. Services is the common shareable data. And that is why we use it. Now, if I put this one in service, projects will print them all, but project will print only one. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Now create one service. Generate service projects data. Projects data service is there. If you use APIs, that also will work. GitHub will have API. If you use your own GitHub API, whatever projects you uploaded in GitHub, that will directly come. You can use that also. I will keep all of this inside my service. There is the service. Let p data equals to I got this p data. Now I will go to my projects page. Here, constructor, projects, underscore data, any equals to array, constructor. First, how do you get it value from service? If you wanted to get a value from service, you should import that one. That is called injection. What is it called? Injection. Dependency injection. Dependency injection means you will write it here, some variable, you will create it like an object, you will create it here, object, for that particular service. You can put HC only. People will write it HC mostly for HTTP client. You can put any name. I put name D. कुछ नहीं होता. So this dot projects data is equals to this dot D dot P data. Now automatically it will print. Take the P data and store it in projects data and it will print it. Sir, what is projects data does not exist in project? Okay, spelling mistake. Spelling mistakes. Ultimately, if you go to projects, it will printing. So now projects is not the problem. Now go to this particular C details. Now here coming 2. Now interesting point is you are getting 2. Now if I know what I am getting, if I know 2, I can get exactly second product from that particular array. Because I know that in second array, exactly whatever ID 2 is there, that value I can get it. Okay, because service can be accessible by any particular one. Now how do you get this particular value? Now go here. How do you know that 2 is there only? Which component I'm writing? See, understand. Online someone is saying it by ID. By ID, you will understand. By ID, you will understand second component to bring. Dekho. Everyone. Now, everyone understand clearly. First. Now tell me which component, which particular product value will come? Project. Which project will come? One. If I go first project should come na? Right or not? Sir, first project should come bole to, how do you know exactly first project only? this value URL. So you should take that path, you should take that URL, you should take that URL and read it. You should take that URL and read it what is there. After you read what is there, after you save that value, you go to service and ask, I have one value 1, give me first value or ID 1 in the your array. Then automatically ID 1 array it will give you, in that it will show. This is the logic. So how do you take it that value? Here I go. App. By using the path, how do you take that path? I will show you now. Single component. See, the beautiful thing in the Angular, which most people don't understand, anything you are doing, you will do only in that component. Sir, you are doing logic for projects, only project components hai. Project TypeScript project hai, project HTML projects hai, project CSS project only. No need to confuse. But people always see it like whole website one time. No, you should have an eye. Don't see whole website. When you are seeing about component, only about component. वो पूरा बुल को छोड़ दो remaining things. खाली about component. About का HTML रहता है, about का CSS रहता है, about का TypeScript रहता है. Now the single component will have it like two main files. One is HTML. That's why if you see, always once everything is over, I will close the paths. Once everything is over in VS Code, I will close them all. And here also I will make it always close and open it. You know why? Because if everything open now, I will get confused. वो किधर है ये किधर है? Whatever I want only I will open. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Now constructor, let ID equals to, so not ID, so no need of let, I'm sorry. Initially value number. If I don't want to give any initial value, exclamation, now constructor. Now in this constructor, sir, in this constructor, I need to take the current U path. How do you take current path is import activated route. There is something called activated route. Activated route. Activated route. Again, inject this activated route service. How do you inject a service? Public AC activated route. Activated route बोले तो current route क्या है? Current URL क्या है? Right or not? For that it will give one service. I wanted to take current URL na. For that it will give one service. Now here I will say this dot current URL dot. Can you see? I can see so much data. In current URL, what is the things one by one they will tell you. Here I want something called params map. Params map. Params map is an expression, not a callable because it gets cursor. Okay. So dot, it's up, it's a thing. Now go here. I will just check it what it is giving. Console.log response, because those are like parameters. Exclamation console. It's printed params maps. In this params maps, can you see? It is printing on params maps. In that there is one object. Can you see what is that object name? Everyone, what is that object name? Params. In that object, there is one thing. What is that? Title. Do you know why the name is title? Do you know why the name is title? Anyone guess why the name is title only? Because you write it, we have given that in routing. भूल गया देखो इधर टाइटल दे दिया. हर each time वो title call करो ऐसा. In routing I gave the name as title only na. I will give here PNO project number. So now if you go here, this time map के अंदर params के अंदर PNO. What is the PNO value? And that is only we want na. That is only we want. Now I will go here, go to my single component. I will take here. So I don't want this response. I want it like this dot id equals to this dot, no, 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 res के अंदर res dot params dot, what is that name? PNO. Why params is not there? They are saying capital P. Oh, they are giving directly one name. Let's go with this then. PNO. I will give string, कुछ नहीं होता. This dot string null is not assignable. Very weird. String or null. Sir, why it come null, sir? They were like sometimes what if this value is not there kind of thing. छोड़ दो. Now I took the value ID. I will try to print it. Am I getting correct or not? I will just try it, experiment. You are seeing project number ID. Let's see, will it work? If it works, na, different pages should open different logic. See, everyone see here. You are seeing project number 1. Okay, let's go to projects page. Let's go here. See this last one. You are seeing projects number? Correct. So I'm getting my project number, each time different. Like for example, so many people created last time in Saturday, we created a shop page. You all created shop page. Shop page is not a big deal. But in that shop page, when you click on first product, for first product, you want separate one page. You want second product, you want separate page. Third product, separate. 20 products are there. Will we create 20 pages? One page, it will print. See, did I created 1,000? Did I created 5? No, but 5 are working in one page only. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? And this is the TypeScript which I used. Sir, you can use res.params, but it is not working. They are telling me to use one function called get, so I used it. Simple. Now I got it, sir. Sir, that is easy. But how do you print that product details now? Oh, to print this product details. Where are my all product details, sir? Inside the service. Inside the, right or not? All my product details are in service. Why did you keep it in service? Because if I keep it in projects, how will I get it? So that's why I keep it in service, sir. Import a service, that service name projects, projects data service. Dekho. And I will go here. I will be like data any. I will create one data also. Now, after this dot data dot, sorry, I need to inject na. If you create a service, you should inject, sir. Without injection, how it will work? Public service d d colon data, sorry, projects data. Now, this dot d dot data. Anyone tell me this dot d dot data, is it array or is it object? Huh? Are you mad? Like inside the service, you added this particular p data na? Is it a service? Is it an array or a object ma? Online, are you all there? Very good. Everyone answering object. I don't know why. Array inside the service देखो. Now people are saying it object. Why? इधर service है. Service के अंदर what did you stored? P data. Array ना? Array के अंदर how many values are there? 5. But I wanted 5. No, I want second bullet to only second bullet. The third bullet, third one. Exactly. So, but it will give you all P data. In this P data, how do you get it exactly one product? You can do array methods. You know array methods? In JavaScript, do you know array methods? How many of you know JavaScript filter method? Filter method. Someone is like index value. वो index value नहीं है, ID value है हमारे पास index value नहीं है. Someone is using for each. For each बोले तो it will print everything. Filter is there. You will just check filter. For the people who don't know filter, I know some people don't know JavaScript, but focus here. See, I will tell you filter method in JavaScript, which is very important. Let ARR equals to, take it here. I'm taking one ARR. Everyone see this array? Any doubts in this array? No. ARR dot, if I write it here, filter. In filter, you need to give one callback function. What you will give? Callback function. I will write it here one function. This function will take it always two values. One is current value, another one is index. So I will take it value. First time 5 is the value. Second time 3 is the value. Third time 6 is the B. Fourth time 8 is the B. Fifth time 9 is the B. That method will run it for 5 times. Now I will say return B modulus 2 equals to 0. Anyone bolo what happened now? Anyone guess what happened now? Why 6 and 8 only come? Why only 6 and 8 came? Because filter will give only true value. वो filter out होता है. देखो simple है. 6 and 8 are the even numbers. Okay, these two values giving it true. Remaining all will not give you true. So I will also do same logic. I will do it like in this array, filter, in this array, filter, do this filter, do V, take it V value. The V value is anything. Now filter out only elements whose ID, V dot ID should be equals to my ID. V के अंदर एक ID है. V के अंदर एक ID है. I also have ID. My ID is 1. How many elements will be there with the ID 1 in that array? 1 only na? It will come. It will come. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point, ma? Kali, what I'm doing is in the array, so many elements are there. Some people did not understand. ID 1, ID 2. Sir, inside V, in V is the value. Inside V, what's inside V value? Everyone, what's inside V value is the Deco data. Inside V value, first time, V dot title is there, V dot ID is there, V dot description is there. So many are there. Second one, V dot ID. Again, third one, V dot ID, V dot title, V dot. Each one object is V. V बोले तो value. First time, first object is V. Second time, second object is V. Third time, third object is V. What I am telling? I am telling I have one ID. Imagine I open fifth project. Right? If I open fifth project, what is my ID? 5. What is my ID? 5. Now I am opening one by one. Is this ID equals to 5? Is this ID equals to 5? No, छोड़ दो. is this id equals to 5? नहीं वो भी छोड़ दो. Is this id equals to 5? No. Is this id is equals to 5? No. Last but not least, is this id equals to 5? Yes. Here return करो. And that is what I did here. वो v का id मेरा id equal होना चाहिए. Then only return करो. That's what filter do. Online, is it clear, ma? Imagine if it never gets na, it will return empty array. Simple. Here this dot data. But remember this, always it will return, array only. Filter will always return array only. So data is an array. So even though you know that only one index will be there, only zero index will be there. So it's an array. So I will go to my HTML. I will print it here, sir. How do you print it this single project? I will write it here H2 data key zero index dot title. Why do you put it zero index? Because I know that data के array के अंदर only one element is there. That is zero index element only. You can use ng for also, nothing will happen. But only one element, na? So that's why I'm printing it directly. Paragraph data zero index dot description. Then next, what are there in this arrays? Title, description, technologies is array. So technologies, live demo, GitHub link, tags, highlight if I don't want it highlight, creative aspect, waste, this creative aspect, copy, paragraph, strong, creative aspect, data, zero, dot, creative aspect, next, technologies is array na? Technologies is array na? How do you print it technologies array, sir? If you wanted to print technologies arrays, then again you need to use for loop because that is an array. So I will use it here. Here one div. Here in this div, I will use paragraph or no. I will use strong technologies used. I will use span tag. Sir, why are you using span tag? Because if you use span tag, side by side they will come, inline element. You can put paragraph also. If you put paragraph repeated, na Harish technology one by one line after one after another will come because they are block. So I will use here span, and in span is ng for. I hope online everyone knows span. Let p of data of zero dot technologies. This data of zero is a technologies. Then it will go here, each one separate logic. Then I will go here, span, um, span and print it here, P, simple. Each one first technology, second technology, it will print it. Everyone go here. Everyone see, it's printing P, comma. You can print like that. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? You can make these things how much beautiful you want using this particular div container. Padding top and bottom 5. First last one also have comma. That is a problem, Ray. True. That is why, like, instead of having comma, I will use another technique. I will put it some kind of CSS. I will use C class padding for padding top and bottom, 2 padding left and right, 4 BG secondary supple, and text black text black. If I do this now it will come like this. So it's like rounded 5. Now it's okay. Instead of comma, this is better to me. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? See, due to time constraint, I may not do that, but you can do it more beautiful things. If you use Tailwind, options are unlimited, your life. You can make it like things. But I highly recommend you to use Tailwind only. Okay. Now go to the project, sir. Now go down. Click here, see details. See, third project is coming. If I click here, see details, second project is coming. If I click here, see details, first project is coming. You can do your application now in another level. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? And while doing it, if you get any doubts, like, sir, I want it this feature or that feature, like this, I want kind of any logic you bring it that logic to me. Tomorrow we will discuss that logics also. Okay. Now, someone is like chat option. Put AI, put some simple AI. Okay. Put some simple UI, and you can, if anyone clicks that, then only it will open. Then that particular one, AI will come. Last time we did. So all you will do is, I will tell you, create one component. Create one component. This component will have a box. In this box, it will become position absolute. If you don't know CSS, I will tell you. What is that position? Absolute. Or you can put fixed also. Your wish, absolute or fixed. After putting absolute, if you put bottom 0 and right 0, bottom 0, right 0, this box will come here. Make that box rounded. Then it will become rounded here. Any doubts here? In this one, in this particular box, there will be two things. One button will be there, rounded button, and one form will be there. Initially, form will not come. Why? Because one variable is there. That variable will have ng if show. If show is true only, that box will come. If show is not true, box will not come. That is the logic. Is this clear, ma? Now, when this show will be true, when someone click this. So people will come, they will click this, automatically it will be true. Then immediately that box will come here. In that box, you give one input, ask me about it, and one submit. Then people will write something. They will be like, tell me about yourself or something. And then automatically when you click on that, it will submit it to the AI. AI will respond some kind of nice thing. But how do the AI know about you? When you are prompting AI, you will give every detail. Like how we created a customized one. Simple. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point, ma? Someone is asking, how can I connect it so that person can send an email by clicking button directly to me? That is anchor tag only. You know, that is so simple. You put an anchor tag. If anyone put one anchor tag, I don't know whether you knew this or not. See here, anchor tag, mail to prasad@gmail.com. Click this. Instead of click me, I will put some kind of nice icon. Nice animated icon I will put. Now everyone see here. Click me is there, na? If anyone click this, automatically they are ready to send a mail application to me. If you their mail will open. Can you see here? Automatically prasad@gmail.com is there. That is mail to. It's called SMTP protocol. Normally anchor tag is for the protocols रे. You use one protocol HTTP. If you give website links, उसको बोलता है HTTP protocols. And this is SMTP protocols. Do you guys know protocols? You are techie रे. How many of you know TCP? TCP. Anyone? Transfer Control Protocol. Transfer Control Protocol. अलग-अलग protocols अलग-अलग work रहता. Like for downloading, okay. For downloading or uploading, I want to send some photo to you. I will upload photo from my website na. Particular my phone onwards, I will take my phone, I will take the gallery and I will send it you photo. Or when you are sending it to me, it will come. That is called file transfer protocol, FTP. People will play games now. When they play games, you know what will happen? They will use something called WebSockets. That is also one of the network protocol. WebSockets. I'm just giving you a brief idea just because someone asked a question. What is this WebSockets is like? Normally, normal web application, how they will work? Gemini application, dekho. Gemini is there. How it is working? Gemini, you will write it one question, you will type it one button. Then it will ask the Gemini. Gemini will give one response, it will come. This is called HTTP protocol. What is it called? HTTP protocol bole to you click something, it will go one time request and one time answer, like a question and answer. One question, one answer, one time only. One time only. But if you are playing games, imagine I'm playing games. I'm having a nice Mario game, something kind of fun. Whenever I'm having some games, what will happen? One time I will request and this server is there, na? It will come automatically. Game it will come on only every time server game is loading. Like for example, I'm playing. I think most people knows here PUBG. Like for example, some another guy like in my team, someone shoot at some another guy. That update should come to me also, na? Or when I got shot out, another person should know, or someone is just moving. One guy just moved to another place. That guy should see, I should see that guy. So how it is happening? One time one changes happen, automatically it will send it again and again and again. That server load will be there. Server will send it multiple requests. One time you ask, multiple times it will answer. Learn about these things, like how they work. You don't need to do it anything. Okay, these things are just underlying things. Any other doubts you have it like how to do? See, most basically we have forms. If I explain you forms and form validation, majority are over. We will discuss something called observables. Mostly by Tuesday, the most of the things are over. Wednesday, Thursday, I will all do some kind of project only. Okay. So any other things you can bring it up. Any doubts you have? Online, any doubts, ma? Yamuna, I didn't understand your question. Like you wanted to apply this, you all started your project now. So once again, explain today's topic with another example. Take it here. Take it here, Swiggy. Take it here, Swiggy. Everyone see this. In Swiggy, I have so many things. And I open here dosa one. The moment I open here dosa, everyone see one page is coming. How this page is looking, everyone bolo. Here dosa name is there. Here some kind of thing is there. Here three buttons are there. Here one or three number is there. And here all the dosas are coming 4 by 4 something grid. Right? Now let's go here. Let's not go to dosas. Let's go to something pizzas. Can you see same screen is coming? Online, can you see same screen is coming? Now dekho. Same screen is coming. Now check the path. Check the path. When I go to Idli, the path is collections slash 80440. When I go to Idli, what is the path? Collections slash 80440. Okay, acha hai. When I go to pizza, collection slash 8363. Acha hai. When I go to burgers, collection slash 8367. So that means same page is loading with different routes, different paths, different paths. How do you do? This is called dynamic routing. What is it called? Dynamic routing. Now same thing happened in my website also. You see here, projects page I am there. Now when I click here, project slash 2. Now when I click here, third one, project slash 3. When I click here, project slash 1. Am I doing different pages? Same page. Only one page I created, which is single component. But one page only, each name different values. Okay. Are you getting my point? And all projects, I keep it inside one service. Service के अंदर एक array है. Array में all the projects are there. Now this is the service file. When I open this page, first I wanted to get what is the current value. They also will do. So even Swiggy do same thing. What is the current path? Okay, current path you will get it by activated route. What you will use? Activated route. Using this activated route, I got this one. And once I get this one, I will go to service and ask in this array where is one. Then it will give me answer, and that answer I will print it on screen. That's what I'm doing it every time. Every time I am asking activated route, abhi kya hai? It will tell abhi 3 hai, abhi 4 hai, abhi 5 hai. Whenever it tell, I will ask the service, वो 5 बोला, वो 5 project दे दो. Simple. Simple. Online, is it clear, ma? Can you explain observables? We will do observables again, don't worry. In RxJS, we will discuss in detail observables. Okay, details we will do. Someone is asking a minimum how many projects we have to require. Minimum 2 projects are required. Minimum 2 projects are required. And in that one project should be AI. I'm telling it. One project should be AI. That's a basic thing these days. Final project name, sir. Final project name, I thought it to go for e-commerce one. Or if you wanted any another thing, I will do it for you. Do you want to go for e-commerce or do you want to go for any another things? Your wish. I'm like, I can do e-commerce, but actually you can do e-commerce one. Based on whatever the things we did, you can do also e-commerce one. If you are okay with the e-commerce one, then I can do some kind of OTT one. That would be easy. Using API, we can do some kind of OTT one. Similar. Good. Online, many people are going with OTT one. I will do one thing. Listen, I will do one thing. It's like in previous Angular classes, like before your batch, Anyway, I did e-commerce only. So I will add that project here. I will already add that project directly. I will give that project. You see that project and just understand it. You will understand it after, not now, like when we start the project. In class, I will do OTT. So e-commerce, you will see and understand, and OTT, I will do it for you. That would be easy. Online, it's clear, ma? Yeah. Now, sir, before tomorrow, I want everyone today in your programming language, there will be one concept. Tomorrow, that concept is very much needed. See one concept called form validation. Form validation, basic form validation. I want you to see. I don't want you to kind of get it bigger things, but see basic form validation. Okay. If you learn HTML form validation, also fine to me. Okay. Even HTML form validation is also good. But we will discuss something depth about forms tomorrow. My portfolio is not complete. If you see, there is one thing called contact. I will put one nice form in the contact, and I will put that, and I will show you form validation. Okay. Is this clear, ma, online? Yeah, and tomorrow, like as it is a Saturday one, like if you get it any doubts or doubt clearing things, also you can do it. Okay, we will do आराम से कुछ नहीं होता. Can you show about page? About page I did it for something, See, now here can you see problem? Because projects are coming bigger. Projects page is loading here. Okay, but you can do this. We can make it any another things, shorter ones. In one page, I'm doing multiple other components. Nicely do it. Like one, you can put it skills, your education, your skills kind of thing. In about page, you can create 3, 4 components, education, one thing, skills, one thing, strengths, one thing kind of thing. Online, is it clear, ma? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all. Monday is deadline for portfolio. One more time. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. How many days class? G Kalyan. Another 1 week, ma.